say hi to the dynamic duo of Yash and Adamaya, who are cooking some healthy, low-carb recipes for us. One of the biggest challenges of following a low-carb keto diet is missing out on your favorite staple, rice. The followers of the low-carb diet have been using the cauliflower rice or grated cauliflower as a substitute for rice. Today's recipe is cauliflower rice or cauliflower couscous. Also, this yummy upma variation can be had at breakfast or as an evening snack. Ingredients required are 200 grams of cauliflower, 20 grams of butter, half a teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds, 50 grams of chopped onions, tomatoes and carrot, 5 grams of chopped ginger, some blanched and sliced almonds, curry leaf and salt, pepper and green chilies as per your taste. We are lavish with the quantity of butter as this will help the body to get into ketosis faster. It's time for us to indulge in yummy low-carb cauliflower rice. The first step is to cut the cauliflower into medium-sized florets. Wash these florets under running water. Place the florets in a mixer, and pulse until you have a rice-like or couscous consistency. You can also get the same texture by manually grating the cauliflower. We start the cooking by melting the butter in a skillet. Add mustard seeds and sauté in butter till it splutters. Now, add in cumin seeds and chopped ginger followed by green chilies and curry leaves. Add onions and sauté till the onions change color. Add the grated cauliflower to the pan and sauté for a minute. Mix in all the vegetables now and sprinkle sea salt as required. Cook for another minute. It's time to introduce the chopped tomatoes into the frying pan. Once the tomatoes are tender, add in the blanched and sliced almonds. Pour in some water to prevent the rice from sticking to the pan. Reduce the flame and cover the pan. Let the cauliflower couscous cook for another 8 minutes. Keep stirring every few minutes to ensure that nothing sticks to the pan. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve. Enjoy this low-carb meal anytime during the day as this plate has only 6 grams of net carbohydrates. To thank Adamaya and Yash for this super simple recipe, do like and comment on this video. If you like to see more such videos, do subscribe to our channel and receive timely updates on new recipes.